Have you ever wondered what tools you can use to make lettering more attractive? The blend tool is easy to use and you can quickly bring more life to script letters. My name is Laura Kyung and I am a graphic designer with 12 years of experience. In this quick video, you will learn how to use the blend tool to create an attractive image. If you didn't know, Envato Elements is a great source for add-ons. So if you're looking for amazing vector sources, head over there and check it out. For this quick tutorial, you will need access to Adobe Illustrator, download the attached Illustrator lettering line file, and a serif font like Play Display from Google Fonts. So let's get started. Open the Adobe Illustrator line file. It is already set up to 1080 by 1080 pixels in RGB and 72 ppi. So let's create the initial stroke for the lettering. Head over to the toolbar, click on the rectangle tool, click and hold to expand the options and select the ellipse tool. Hold Option Shift to draw an even circle expanding from the center. I'm choosing a size of 64 pixels. This circle will dictate the size of the stroke. We want to add a gradient to the new shape we created. Select the shape and head over to the toolbar. Select the outline swatch and click on None. Select the fill swatch and select Gradient. We want to give color to this gradient, so let's open our gradient panel. And here we will also use the color panel. Select any color you would like, as long as it is light on one side and dark on the other. This will give more dimension to the work. I am choosing to use blue with the color code 3CD9FF for the left slider, and for the right slider 0000FF. Duplicate the shape by pressing Option Shift and dragging to the right. For this, I am choosing a purple color with the color codes FF9BFF, and for the right slider 7900FF. Select both shapes and select the blend tool or W on your keyboard. Click on any point of both circles, starting with the blue and then the purple circle. We want to make a smooth transition. So while selecting the shape, double click on the blend tool on the toolbar. This will open the blend options tool. Under spacing, select specified distance. Change the distance to 1 pixel to get a smooth transition. And you can check this with the preview box. If you're happy with that, click OK. Select both the shape and the line type. Head over to Object, Blend, Replace Spine. Using the Direct Selection tool or A on your keyboard, duplicate the dot for the eye. Select the circle on the right and press Command C followed by Command V and place this newly created circle over the eye. For the background, select the Rectangle tool or M on your keyboard. Create a black square on the artboard. Press Shift Command opening brackets to move the square to the back and lock the element by pressing Command 2. To add the serif text, use the text tool, click on the artboard and type by. Set the color to white, and for this I am choosing Play Display as a font. And the size at 445 points. Press Shift Command opening brackets to move the elements to the back. While selecting the text element, press Shift Command O to create outlines on the text, followed by Shift Command G to ungroup the word. Let's bring the B forward by selecting it and pressing Shift Command and closing brackets. Same with the Y. And I want this to have an intertwined look with the H, so select the Eraser tool on the toolbar. This will open the Eraser tool options. You can adjust the size here. I will click OK because I want to see what size we have. Not big enough. So let's set the size to 27 points. Click OK. And here you can start getting rid of the parts that we don't need, so that way the letter looks like it's in between the H. We will do the same with the E. Select the E, press Command C, Shift Command V to duplicate the element in the same place. And let's get rid of the parts that we don't need here at the bottom, and that way the top looks like it's over the eye. Select the high, head over to Effect, Stylize, Drop Shadow. Set the opacity to 50 and make sure that you have the mode to multiply. Here, if you have preview checked, you will be able to see the change. And make sure that you have the X and Y offset to 7 pixels and the blur to 5. Click OK. Here, let's make sure that we delete this part. And you can see a slight shadow here. To save the file as an Illustrator file, head over to File, Save As. Select Adobe Illustrator, Save. And here click OK. And if you want to save it as a JPEG, head over to File, Export, Export As. Here you can select the format. I'll choose JPEG. Check Use Artboards, Range 1. And here you can choose the color mode, quality, and resolution. I will leave it as is. I'll click OK. And there you have it. We have paired an easy-to-use tool with lettering to create an intertwined look. And remember, if you're looking for high-quality assets, check out Envato Elements. They have a growing library of photos, fonts, Illustrator and Photoshop add-ons that can help you out when you are in a hurry. My name is Laura Kyung, and from all of us at Envato, we wish you a new year full of confidence and creativity. We'll see you on the next one.